Hey friends, this is Kyle Webster with another 1-minute Photoshop tip. If you've ever wondered how artists are quickly changing the color of their line art in their illustrations, it's very simple. You can do all of it after the fact. So go ahead and do your drawing and then come over here to Lock Transparency, this little icon. Once I tap on that, I can grab different colors and I can freely select my line art and I can just fill in the whole area with whatever color I select, okay? And this is because with locked layer transparency, you're only able to modify or edit the pixels that are already on that layer. You can't actually add any pixel data. This makes it very easy to go ahead and change the colors wherever you like. I'm just making a nice selection here, big and broad, and hitting Option Delete or Alt Delete on PC to fill with the foreground color. And that's how you do it. Give it a try.